Hi, I'm Eli Cohn, General Manager of Smart Depo at Rev. Welcome to Smart Depo Essentials, where we're going to break down everything you need to know about AI deposition summaries. In this series, I'm going to show you how Smart Depo's patent-pending technology creates the only deposition summaries precise enough to copy and paste directly into your briefs and court documents. We're talking about 100% accurate page and line citations, comprehensive coverage that misses nothing, and summaries built by lawyers for lawyers. I'll walk you through the basics of getting started with Smart Depo, what sets Smart Depo apart, and what to expect of your deposition summaries. So, whether you're a paralegal drowning in deposition review, a partner looking for a competitive advantage, or a court reporting agency looking to offer our services to your clients, this series is going to show you what Smart Depo can do for you. We'll be publishing new videos regularly, so subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Let's get started.